let's discuss one more question related to rationalizing the denominator, something new this time. Start. If x is equal to 1 plus square root of 2, then find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube, right? So first of all, let's write that quantity which is given over here, that x is equal to 1 plus root 2, and what we want to find, x minus 1 upon x cube is equal to question mark. This is what we want to find. So first of all, we need to have the value of 1 by x, right? X we know already, we need to have the value of 1 by x. We substitute, then we'll simplify, and then we will cube it. So let's start with the sum. So let's start. 1 by x is equal to what we can write, 1 by 1 plus square root of 2. This is what we can write, right? Because value of x is what? 1 plus square root of 2. Now let's find the conjugate. 1 and root 2 as it is plus, so minus over here. Same into the numerator, 1 minus root 2. Done. So let's find the product. 1 into any number is same, 1 minus root 2. And here denominator a plus b, a minus b, identity. So 1 square minus root 2 and square over here. So we have 1 minus root 2 over here 1 and minus here root 2 square, so that is 2 only. So in this case 1 minus root 2 over minus 1 it is. Now minus 1 is there into denominator. In this case we can just change the sign of the numerator. So it will become, right, minus 1 plus root 2, right? See, I have changed the sign of the numerator. 1 become minus 1, minus root 2 become plus root 2. So we can write that 1 by x is equal to root 2 minus 1. Done. Now we have the value of x, then 1 upon x as well. So let's start with the simplification. Let's get this value first of all. So x minus 1 upon x. Value of x is what? 1 plus root 2. Then minus here root 2 minus 1. Done. So 1 plus root 2, let's open the bracket, change the sign, minus root 2 and minus minus plus 1. So minus root 2 plus root 2 is done. So here 1 and 1, that is 2. Now what do we want to find? We want to find the cube. So let's write here again, and we are interested in cube. So cube on the both of the side. So cube of 2 is what? 8. Very simple, right? This question looks quite confusing, but if you do in the proper way, the answer is very easy, right? So how we approach, we have the value of x, then we find the value of 1 upon x. That is what? Do the proper simplification. Remember this negative sign, don't just ignore it. 1 we can, if we don't write, that is okay, but minus we need to write it or need to show the effect. So 1 by x is what? Root 2 minus 1. Simplify x minus 1 upon x, we get the answer 2. Now we want to find the cube. So do cube on the both of the side and get the answer. Here you can find the square as well, right? So we will be doing square on the both of the side. So this is how we find the value of this given quantity.